Ready for a hair revolution? 20 edgy shag ideas incoming. Rockstar Chic Shag. This highly textured, voluminous style is perfect for anyone wanting to express their inner rock star, adding instant attitude and movement to thick hair. Please remember to comment with the number of your favorite haircut. The Subtle Shag. Ideal for those new to the style, this look offers gentle face framing layers and soft movement without extreme texture, suitable for all hair types. Voluminous Curly Shag. Embrace natural curls with this shape, which uses layers to create a gorgeous, rounded silhouette, prevent heaviness, and boost maximum volume. Platinum Wolf Cut Shag. This hybrid look combines the edgy feel of a wolf cut with the texture of a shag, making it a daring choice for trendsetters with straight hair. Fiery Copper Shag. This vibrant copper color pairs perfectly with shag layers, adding dimension and warmth that highlights the haircut's texture, especially for fair skin tones. Short Bob Shag. A modern take on the bob, this short shag uses layers to create a low-maintenance, chic look with natural volume that's great for fine hair. Long Layered Shag. Perfect for keeping length while adding significant texture and volume. This style creates an effortless, boho chic vibration for those with longer hair. Please remember to comment with the number of your favorite haircut. Messy Mullet Shag. A bold, gender-neutral choice, this look maximizes texture with shorter top layers and length in the back. Perfect for straight or wavy hair looking for definition. Blonde Bombshell Shag. This glamorous style combines soft, golden blonde tones with choppy, textured layers, providing dynamic movement and an irresistible, playful beach vibe. Textured Shag with micro-fringe. A daring option for high-fashion lovers, this shag features short, precise micro-fringe that creates dramatic contrast with longer textured layers, emphasizing the eyes. Soft Pink Pastel Shag. Gentle pastel pink tones bring sweetness to the shag's inherent edge, making it an excellent choice for a playful and unique look on pre-lightened hair. 70s Rockstar Shag. This authentic retro style uses a rounded shape and extreme texture to achieve effortless, classic rock and roll volume. Ideal for wavy hair looking for maximum height. Shaggy Pixie with Fringe. A shortcut with major texture, this shaggy pixie uses layers and fringe to frame the face and create natural lift, suitable for fine hair seeking volume. Please remember to comment with the number of your favorite haircut. Dark Emerald Edgy Shag. Deep emerald green tones give this highly textured shag a mysterious and alternative edge, perfect for brunette hair looking for a dramatic yet sophisticated change. Shag with Bottleneck Bangs. Ideal for face framing, this shag uses bottleneck bangs and subtle layers to create gentle movement and effortless chic that softens all hair textures. Textured Lob Shag. A sophisticated take, this lob-length shag uses choppy layers and texture to add volume and dynamic movement, perfect for an expressive, low-maintenance daily style. Icy Silver Sleek Shag. Sleeker and less messy, this icy silver shag uses precision layers to create subtle volume and an architectural, high-fashion look for straight hair. Voluminous Copper Wolf Shag. This hybrid maximizes volume with shorter top layers and dramatic texture, creating a fierce look that enhances natural wavy hair, especially in vibrant copper tones. Shaggy Bob with Curtain Bangs. Combining two trends, this shaggy bob with curtain bangs offers a flattering, face-framing style with gentle layers that's perfect for fine or medium hair-seeking movement. Subtle Long Shag with Layers. Ideal for long hair, this subtle shag provides gentle texture and movement without sacrificing significant length, suitable for all hair types seeking a fresh, easy look.